While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Good morning! Let me turn the light on here. Good morning, guys. You wanna see the bug? He's been lying down over here. He's been sleeping over there. He's been sleeping over there. He's been... Look at the ears up. He's been in here. You've been there? You've been in here, no bug? Oh, Bugty, Bugty. Don't ignore me, Bug, please. Please, Bug, don't ignore me. Look at that ear and the eyes, guys. I know you're kind of curious what's life going on now. What my life is gonna be. What my life is gonna be. Why I'm in this house. What my life is gonna be. Oh, Mama, what my life is gonna be. No. I love you, Bug. Bugty, 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 Bug. Bugty, Bugty, Bug. Titty, Bug. Titty, Bug. Hello, Mitch. Hello. You don't wanna go out, you lazy monkey kong. Oi. Come in. You can join us here. It's windy and it's raining, guys. Look, it's wet. It's raining. The grill from last night, I don't even put it aside. Yeah, it's raining and it's nice, guys. You can see all the leaves is out already and it's windy, so I have to close this thing. Today is Wednesday. I have to look for my kids, which is Dimples, because she is missing. Well, missing just somewhere here and probably under the bed in the master bedroom. Are you right here? Oh wow, you're right there, baby. Look at that, guys, sideways, guys, because it won't fit. Oh, she's right there. This bed is gonna go into my filming room. That there is a bed over there, extra bed for my filming room. When Mama and Dada find, what? Mama have her own bed. I love this blanket. All the blankets that you guys see, the purple one that I use, we have blue over there, light gray, we have different kind of one. And this is our thing. I'm gonna bring it up, and that's really the best blanket ever. You see in the front, the back area right here is soft. This is good for winter. The best blanket. Oh, I really do feel bad with my husband, guys. Oh my God, you don't have any idea. It's not my husband's fault. His mother should take a shower yesterday early, but no. So Tom is driving in the wind, crazy last night. I told him, you're gonna guys have dinner over here, because you're gonna have dinner here, because you're gonna get home and Tom is gonna cooking and something. So dinner here. I mean, I cook steak. That's why I cook steak. He woke up late because they got home 11 something last night, because he drive very slow because of the rain. He called me because he get up late. He's so tired. He's supposedly having coffee. He forget everything. He forget his jacket, and it's, you know, kind of raining outside and kind of chilly outside. So that's it, guys. Early morning, I heard my husband talking and aggravated everything, and I heard everything. Roxy is kind of hungry, Rox. She been eating dry food, guys, when I'm talking to you. Come here. Enjoy your baby ni Mama. Come in, baby na. Come in, baby na. Oh, you slide. She slide. Come here. Come up here na, baby. No. Come up here, please. Up na. Up. Oh, booger na tush. And tush, guys, look at this, guys. It's so baby, guys. Oi. He's so a baby. Oi, tush. Oh, baby. Oh, baby ni Mama. No, baby, no. I love you very much. Oh, I love him so much. Come here, Mitch. Come up, Mitch. Come up. Up. Oh, my baby ni Mama. No, monkey, come now. You're such a monkey, come. Monkey. We're dancing, guys. Monkey, come. Monkey, come. So, guys, I am making this, and this is how I'm going to make it with egg. With egg. guys, I am back. It's time to cook the freaking ampalaya. It's cooking ampalaya time. Ampalaya, 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 ampalaya. Hi guys, I am having my breakfast. This is the breakfast I'm gonna have, guys. It's nothing much fancy. I'm happy because it's fish in an onan, and then the how do you call that? The watermelon with egg, and then the rice. That's really it, guys. So, apitwet. Okay. Gusto ko yung pait, pero hindi masyadong pait. I like it when it's crunchy, not overcooked. When it's overcooked, it's not fun to eat. That's why if it's crunchy, it's the best. Hobbs is acting up. Are you acting up? Why are you acting up? He is flying like, oh my god, he's just like running around. Run sideways, guys. Not running straight, sideways, sliding like that. Makes me laugh, but sometimes you do it too much, and then with the cry, meow, like that, it makes me worried. What the heck is going on with him? I'm just really pissed at Misty and Roxy, guys. Misty especially. They went in the basement and play with a cat poop. And then I have to yell at them, and then they're kind of quiet. Oh god, they play with it. What the heck? It's not a freaking toy. I have a viewer in California, Tita Inda. Tita Inda want to be in my shout every day. Tita Inda, if I can remember, okay? Hi Tito Indoy, kumusta mga ulam-ulam natin diyan, Tita Indoy? Okay, I'm gonna charge my phone. Hi Tita Indoy. The dog is very quiet. They've been sleeping because I get so mad at them. And yeah, so it's been raining, and today it says it's going to be more rain today, and I'm not in the house. And then the sad part is Tommy is gonna be really unhappy if there is a flood in the basement in the other house and I'm not there. Oh, my sister-in-law is there. So anyways, yeah, she's there. Anyway, so but I can't even do gardening. The reason why I came here, the reason why I want to stay here now because of the gardening. But it's a bad news. It's April. It's still April, right? Yeah, it's almost done in April, and it's raining like crazy. Holy cow! Hi guys, just get up and shower, and then what I'm gonna do is vacuum. Oh my god, I gave okay, I gave it to Hobbs. Hobbs, this is yours, baby bug. Look at this bug, right? I know that's your toy. I know you love your toy. Don't kick it out. Open your mouth, open your mouth, open mouth, good girl. Okay, let it go, Misty. Let it go, Misty. Misty, let it go. Mouse. Why you love mouse? You go crazy. You go crazy with the mouse. You go crazy with the mouse. You go crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Look, see. Oh, no. Alright. That's my finger. That's my finger. I'm gonna get shaggy keggy finger. Don't get shaggy keggy finger. Oh. You can't have it, baby. You can't have it. You can't have it. Good girl. Why you love this so much? Roxy, sit. Why you love this so much? Behave. Why you love? No. No. Why you love this so much? No. Hi guys, I'm going to eat one mango. Yep, I'm going to eat one mango. Let's see which mango I'm gonna eat first. This one right here. This is here. Yep. Let's see. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Oh my god. This is not good. Look at it, guys. No. This is a waste of $6. It's bad. Yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna have my Tommy that doesn't bring to the other house, that he can have it. So I'm just gonna have it. This one right here. Hi. Hi, pretty Roxy.
Making extensive repairs to its aging infrastructure now because they have no choice. And power problems during the evening rush, causing major delays and cancellation and crowds.
What do you want, guys? Guys, oh shucks. I'm heating some tinola. The tinola is still good, so I'm gonna heat it. And then, ito na lang kakainin ko with rice. I'm just gonna cook it in this, okay. Heat it small. It's very cute, guys. I'm telling you, I love it, love it, love it. So, I'm gonna do sili. So, this is the dipping sauce that I have right here. Yeah. So, this one right here is cooking. Oh my god, this is a disaster over here before, guys. Blow up over here. This is dirty, need to be washed. Use those towels to push the stuff from here because everything is exploded here, and so I push it to the side into the side that is not hot, so that's why I put new one here. That was really intense. It freaked me out. Luckily, the basic explosion is small glasses of Pyrex, and it's just explode. Luckily it doesn't explode in my eyes. And also I told Tommy, and Tommy said, oh, probably that's not a real Pyrex. It's not Pyrex for cooking. And I said, it says Pyrex. You know, we got that from our wedding, actually for my bridal shower, and it is Pyrex, or maybe Pyrex, but it's not for cooking use. So it's stupid of you guys. I guess I can't edit video because he was sleeping. He was lying down on my laptop, so I put the laptop in that side because he was lying down. Oh, I'm sorry, my eyes is red. I was crying about the Dr. Phil show. This is who he is, guys. He's so loving this way. If I'm doing something, he will sit on there, and then I have to give up. It is 5:30, but I'm gonna cook this. Well, I'm just gonna wash this first because this will cook really fast. This is the potato steam. Cleaning time, guys, with this thing, with the kangkong. Clean up time. I just wanna do like this. This is what my parents usually do, so I'm just following what they do. Oh my god, I'm using my nails. You know what? When you're using nails to cut it, you're going to ruin your nails. The stain of this, it's crazy if you are using your nails. It, guys. I just like no thing in there, just covered it and cook it, just that. And because I want some dipping sauce with that, always good to have a dipping sauce, yung a lot of onion. I don't have ginger, but you know what, saka yung Alamang, yung alamang ko, guys. Somebody asked me about why I don't eat canton, because I have a lot of canton right here. And in the other house too, I have tons of canton. You know, like fancy canton stuff. Yeah, I have different kind here. I don't really use it. Ay, nako. It's not open yet. The other one is open. It's in the other house. I'm gonna bring it here because I'm not there all the time now. So, and what else do I have to do? I'm gonna do the ipiprito ko lang siya. Yung hindi naman ipiprito, initin ko lang siya, guys. Very slight init-init gamay ba. We'll use a small pan. Oy, mayroong small naman dito. I forgot that we have this small one. The dog is just been watching me. What are you up? What up, what up? What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, Rocks? What up, what up? What's up, Rocks? What's up? What's up, Rocks? Do you wanna call Dada? Do you wanna call him? Is that what you want? Do you wanna call Dada? Okay, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Nag-steam na siya. Lumiliit na siya. Sobrang liit na niya. Pinatay ko na siya, pero I will let it stay over there. And ito, guys, look, ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ito yon, yung alamang. Bango, guys. Ang bango. This is only good for me. And yeah, I miss this. I miss this. The last time I eat this one when I'm with Remy. Yeah, when I'm with her. This is gonna be my dinner, guys. This is gonna be my dinner. Oh my lordy. Why is not focusing? Okay. Dipping sauce at saka yan. Guys, I called Tommy, guys. It's already time check. It's 7:22 in the evening. I called Tommy a while ago, I think 30 minutes. And so, anyway, I called him. And I said, hello. And he said, hello. And I said again, hello. And then he said, why you called? You gonna be apologizing me? Because we're talking about the lawn mowing again, guys. Our yard, guys. It's pissed me off. I mean, you know, we're talking about it, and then, you know, I said like, hang up, and then I hung up. And when I called later on, 2 hours later, that means 30 minutes ago, and I thought, and that's what happened. Hello, what are you? And then why are you calling me now? It's like, are you gonna apologize? I said, you're calling for something. You're gonna be apologizing me? I said, forget it, bye. So I hung up. I hung up and said, okay, you wanna play with me? Okay, fine. You know what I'm gonna. He just called me. I'm not answering your call, Tommy. If you're watching this video, I'm not answering your call. You are gonna quit calling me tonight. I'm not gonna answer your calls. Who knows? Maybe I wanna answer in the end of that night. In the end of the night, that means tomorrow. Oh, you two are here. The two of you are here. Oh, the two of you are here now. I close all the doors because I don't want you guys keep doing it. You did do business in the bathroom and I don't like it. You look sad. Be happy. This is your house now. You're staying here now. Hi guys. I know, insert shout out again. I have few shout outs here, guys. Shout out to Jean 26 at saka to her pamangkin, to her niece, Marie Jean Suyum Pardelio from Abono, Iligan City. Hi guys, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Milani Padelia. Hi sis Milani, thank you for watching. And also to Lodi Patigdas from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Hi. Saka si Alvin Croft from Texas, flying to Cebu in 29. Hi! Oh, tomorrow. Happy today. So yeah, hi! Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Flight. Oh, I don't know if you noticed, guys, the back trees are white. The leaves now is out. It's really more out. Few days next week, it's gonna be more out. It's gonna be prettier and prettier. Yeah, it's getting nicer, right? I supposedly be sitting over there, but somebody's in there already. Why? Because I cover it, that means it's for you. Why? Just, oh, you're closing your eyes. Oh, closing your eyes. Now the bug among the bug among bug. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. I'm gonna end this vlog, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I appreciate it. Bye.
Well, I have nothing right now. And I'm still good with you guys. So, what do you want to do? I mean, take out it's obvious. If Sarah's willing to make a move, I'm totally on board. Because I know I have a huge target on my back. Now, as far as Zeke, will I trust him again fully? Our married today, I think last time. Really? Yeah. Close. We've really connected. So I still feel super confident in Sarah, and I think it will be absolutely.
Han, what is the English of Han? Uy!
I gotta know how feet work.
Almo, is that parasite? Han, what is that?